Hi, hello and welcome to Fishy Friday. New fish recipes every Friday. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more videos. Let's get into the video. Today we're gonna prepare a dry fish curry. The first thing we need to do is we need to prepare a paste. So we will first prepare the paste, then we will go to the main cooking. Now for the paste, I've taken a mixer jar, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 3 medium-sized tomatoes chopped, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, half an inch of ginger chopped, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of fennel. We will grind this into a fine paste. I've taken a medium-sized pot and I have preheated it. We will add 50 ml of refined oil. I've taken 5 to 6 pieces of dry fish. This is going to be a sea fish pieces. I have washed it 2 to 3 times to remove the excess salt from the dry fish, and I've kept it aside. So we will fry this dry fish in this oil so that the flavor of the dry fish infuses into the curry. Now that the dry fish is fried, we're going to add 2 green chilies slips, 2 strips of curry leaves. Now we will add the paste that we prepared earlier, and we will fry the paste in the oil. Once the water is reduced from the paste, we will add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt for taste. Now fry this till the oil separates from the masala. Now that the oil is separated, I have taken half a ping pong ball size of tamarind. I have soaked it in water and I have extracted juice. So I'm going to add that juice to the curry. We will cook this till the rawness of the tamarind is gone. We're going to add the lima beans to the curry. The lima beans that I'm going to use is already peeled. We will add 2 medium-sized potatoes diced. We will add the masala water. Now I'm going to add 1 small cup of extra water to the curry. Now that it's come to a boil, we will close it with the lid and we will allow it to cook for 5 minutes in high flame. It has been cooking for almost 5 minutes, so we're going to open the lid and check if the lima bean and the potatoes are cooked. The beans and the potatoes are cooked. Now we will turn off the stove. Your dry fish curry is ready to be served. Now this can be served with rice, ragi ball or any flatbreads. Hope you love this video. Please share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.